Okay, so this is our adjusting sound level project 4. Okay, so if you know what those everything here are, except this. This is something that makes it very hard for electricity to go through. Like this. Well, that is not like this. This makes it very hard for electricity to go through. It's the same thing, except the one of these. Remember, change to this. Listen to the sound. You can more hardly hear it, right? And we'll just do the original. Whatever then. Don't forget, this whistle chip is still here. We'll hardly hear it, right? Whatever, so you know this. Bye. Almost. Bye.